Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. US CPI data, and Bitcoin barely moves. Native wallet on Cardano. The TRon token experiences a significant drop. New malware puts your cryptocurrencies at risk. HUOBI anticipates million-dollar profits. US presidential pre-candidate highlights the use of Bitcoin.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
US CPI data, and Bitcoin barely moves. US CPI increased by 0.1% in March, bringing it to 5% annually. These data could be taken as good news and may indicate a pause in the Federal Reserve's interest rate hikes. The monthly increase in CPI is lower than forecasted by analysts, as the primary driver of this increase in March was the housing industry, just like in February. The core CPI, which excludes the volatile prices of food and energy, increased by 0.4%. CPI measures the incremental inflation in prices that consumers pay for goods and services and is used to modulate the Federal Reserve's monetary policy approach. The next FOMC meeting will be in May 2023. Before the data, Bitcoin was hovering around $30,000. It is slightly higher than the price at which we can currently trade it while creating this news, and after the CPI data release. On the other hand, a new interest rate hike is expected in May, with a 0.25 increase, potentially followed by a pause. It should be noted that markets remain insecure due to the recent banking crisis, and the publication of the FOMC minutes can also impact crypto assets. Meanwhile, altcoins are correcting their movements. Although Ethereum is performing better than Bitcoin, thanks to the news that the Shanghai upgrade would take place today. Native wallet on Cardano. Cardano has launched its first native browser wallet, called Lace, which will be available as a browser extension application, similar to MetaMask. The tool will allow users to easily access B3 and Cardano's decentralized finance DeFi tools, and send and receive digital assets such as ADA, IFs, and native tokens. The wallet will have a single transaction fee for multiple assets and allow hardware wallet integration for additional security. The Lace platform will evolve with updates and periodic improvements, and an app store, desktop application, and digital identity solutions are expected in the future. The release of the new functionality has been celebrated by Input-Output IOG, the company responsible for the platform's development. The ADA token experienced an increase of almost 5% following the announcement. The TRon token experiences a significant drop. TRON has experienced an 8% drop in its price following the announcement that it would be delisted from Binance US. The world's largest exchange, Binance, announced on April 12 that it would be removing Tron's native token from its offering on its US arm, though it would not affect Binance Global. Binance US stated that the decision to delist the asset was due to the digital asset no longer meeting its high standards and the circumstances of the industry. This move comes after the Securities and Exchange Commission sued Tron founder Justin Sun in March for unregistered securities offerings. The SEC also targeted Sun in its ongoing war against cryptocurrencies. Additionally, the other token delisted, Spell, has seen a 6% drop since the announcement. At the time of writing, TRX was at 63 cents, having fallen 72% from its all-time high of 23 cents recorded in January 2018. New malware puts your cryptocurrencies at risk. New malware, called Relide, is stealing cryptocurrencies from users through a malicious extension that disguises itself as a Google Drive extension. This extension affects popular browsers such as Chrome, Edge, Opera, and Brave and uses sophisticated techniques to obtain sensitive personal information and money from cryptocurrency wallets. The malware spreads through vulnerable Microsoft Publisher files and fraudulent Google ads. Once installed, Relide monitors the user's browsing history, takes screenshots, and performs specific actions to steal cryptocurrencies. Additionally, it replaces two-factor verification emails with a fake one, so the user provides the verification code, unaware that funds are being taken from their cryptocurrency wallet. Relide is capable of stealing money from virtual cryptocurrency wallets such as Binance and uses surprising techniques to withdraw the money. The crypto community is advised to be cautious with their cryptocurrency information and take basic precautions to minimize the risk of falling victim to Relide or other similar malware. HUOBI anticipates million-dollar profits. HUOBI anticipates profits of $187 million in Q2 2023, according to TRON founder and HUOBI advisor Justin Sun. The company earned profits of $30 million for Q1 2023, with revenues of $150 million and expenses of $120 million. Despite a 30% drop in revenue due to the closure of derivative trading, the staff cuts made worked well. HUOBI has managed to recover and projects a significant profit of $111 million in Q2 of this year, with expenses of $76 million. Although this is good news, recently the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission sued TRON founder Justin Sun and the TRON Foundation, among others, for the sale of TRX and BTT tokens, accusing them of selling unregistered securities, fraud, and market manipulation. U.S. presidential pre-candidate highlights misuse of Bitcoin. U.S. presidential pre-candidate Robert F. Kennedy Jr. highlights the misuse of Bitcoin and warns against CBDCs. Kennedy, a Democratic Party pre-candidate, praises Bitcoin as a way out of the dangers of a financial bubble and criticizes CBDCs for their potential for surveillance and social control. Kennedy cited Nick Carter's publication, which points out the repression of the U.S. government against the cryptocurrency industry. He also quoted former Coinbase CTO Balaji Srinivasan, who indicated that the distinction between FedNo and a CBDC is important from a technical point of view but not from a civil liberties perspective. Kennedy also criticizes the Biden administration for its repression against the cryptocurrency industry and high inflation. The Digital Chamber of Commerce predicts that the next U.S. president will be pro-crypto and that cryptocurrencies will play an important role in the upcoming elections.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking at me.